You're welcome back. Now, this is how you can change your Pi Network name. Maybe you have written your nickname or your identity card you want to use for verification contains your surname, your first name, and your middle name. You have to impute all of it in Pi. Now, this is how the option you take. You tap on this bar menu bar icon here and scroll to profile. Now you see where they wrote this option for. Under setting, you see ask to change your name. Now you have to understand that this is only once. You only edit this once, and after that, there's no more provision for you. Tap on appeal name change, and now your first name and your last name is what they require of you. Now, for me, I only wrote my first name and my middle name instead of last name. The last name is your surname. The first name is your first name. So use exactly when you're trying to correct this, look at your ID card where they wrote first name, write the first name here. And where they wrote surname, write it here that they said last name. Now, if your national identity card or any document you're using for this verification contains your middle name, you tap here. To enter middle or maiden name, type here. So you tap on it, and now you see the option for middle name is now beneath the first name. So you type your middle name, and now you can go ahead and add your maiden name. Your maiden name is your mommy's surname before she got married. Yeah, if you've gotten your identity card, they would have asked you same question. Now if you want to write it, you write it here. If you don't want, you just tap on save. And now read what they said here clearly. Read this through. Your usual name is the full name that people generally use to address you. It can be the same as or different from your name on ID documents. This is also how you will appear to other pioneers unless you enable the hide real name option in your profile. Later I'll show you this hide real name option. Usual first name here, last name. Now here again you correct the last name. The last name, you impute your surname, you get, and now you scroll and click on save. Now they are giving you option for the final review. Look at it here. So they want to make sure that you know what you're doing. That's why they are prolonging this, and they also gave you option to still edit it again, because after now there won't be opportunity for you to do that. First name, middle name, last name, your usual name is this, and now the above. So observe it correctly before you actually click on next. If it's not correct, you still tap on it and then make sure it's correct. First name, last name. Okay, now you can explain why you want to change your name here. Now make sure you go straight to the point. Don't type long message. I used only my first name and middle name before, so I just added my last name. Simple. Don't go and start telling long stories. I use only my first name and middle name before, so I just added my last name. If your name does not exactly match the data on your official identification document, you will not be able to claim your Pi. Now this is what you are agreeing. I will lose all of my Pi if my name is wrong. Submit. So make sure before you click this submit, it is correct. You've successfully submitted your name. Update appeal on your appeal is under review. Continue, and that's it. So now you have changed your name on Pi. After they must have reviewed it, and you will get a message. So when they review this, I will also make a video to show you this. Now before you do this, make sure all your details are correct. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get more content each time I make a new upload. Give this video a thumbs up, and that's it for now.